Viewers, it seems like Congress leaders find it hard to stay away from controversies related to our armed forces. Questioning the valor of our Jawans over daring military operations seems to have become a habit for them. Addressing a rally in Odisha, Prime Minister Modi took on Congress leader Manishankar Aiyar's fear-mongering statement on Pakistan possessing atom bomb. Modi slammed the grand old party, saying that the Congress is trying to scare its own country and countrymen. This is what the Prime Minister said.
वो कहते हैं संभल के चलो, पाकिस्तान के पास एटम बम है, पाकिस्तान के पास एटम बम है, पाकिस्तान के पास एटम बम है। ये मरे पड़े लोग ये देश के मन को भी मार रहे हैं जी। ये जो पाकिस्तान के बम 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 की बातें करते हैं ना, आज तो पाकिस्तान का हालात ये है कि इन बम को संभालना कहां, वो भी उसके बस का रोग नहीं है। अब तो वो बम बेचने के लिए निकले हैं।
The latest Congress Neta to join the bandwagon of Charanjit Channi and Amrinder Singh is Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy in his attempt to attack the central government over Pulwama. Chief Minister Reddy said not only did the government fail, but no one knows if surgical strike actually took place.
Pulwama incident is classic example. They have failed. आईबी क्या कर रहा है, इंटेलिजेंस नेटवर्क क्या कर रहा है? पुलवामा इंसिडेंट होने के बाद सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक में पॉलिटिकल बेनिफिट लेने के लिए मोदी जी कोशिश कर रहा है। मेरा सवाल यह है कि मोदी जी को, भाई आप क्या कर रहा है? पुलवामा इंसिडेंट क्यों हुआ है, क्यों होने दिए? देश की सुरक्षा आप क्या कर रहा है? क्यों आईबी रा ये एजेंसीज को क्यों इस्तेमाल नहीं किए आप? तो वहां पर आपका फेल्यूर है ना। उसके बाद आप किए नहीं किए भगवान जाने। सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक हुआ नहीं हुआ किसी को पता भी नहीं आज तक।
Let's remind you of what Mr. Aiyar had said 3 weeks ago. He had given an interview to a YouTube channel and a portion of which had gone viral. This is what he had said.
ये कि वो भी एक सॉवरेन मुल्क है और कि उनकी भी इज्जत है, और उस इज्जत को कायम रखते हुए आप उनसे जितनी कड़ी बात करना चाहते हो करो, लेकिन बात तो करो। बंदूक को लेकर आप घूम रहे हो, उनके एटम बॉम्ब है।
ये भी है।
लेकिन यदि आपने उनसे बात की, उनको इज्जत अफजाया, तो तभी जाकर वो अपने बम के बारे में नहीं सोचेंगे। मस्कुलर पॉलिसी, यदि आपके मसल्स हों और उनके मसल्स ना हों, मैंने अभी आपको बता दिया है वो जो हकीकत हम सबको पता है कि मसल्स उनके कहूटा में पड़े हुए हैं।
Let's open this up. Tom Vadakkan, national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Asif Bhamla, political analyst, Ravi Srivastava, political analyst, Dr. Nikul Patel, leader of the Congress, completes the panel. Dr. Nikul Patel, you know, have you decided to endorse Pakistan on a daily basis? What is this going on in the Congress party? It began in Maharashtra. Mr. Wadattiwar said that, look, Kartare was not killed by Kasab's bullet. The RSS is behind it. Then former Punjab Chief Minister Mr. Channi struck. Then you had Raja Waring, Shashi Tharoor said something. Now you have Revanth Reddy questioning strikes. What is going on, sir?
See, firstly, I would like to know that why Honorable Prime Minister is digging all these things and he's not ready to talk on the present current issues of the country. But he always wants to target that the Congress is always favoring Pakistan. I think Pakistan, if we are favoring, then we have not divided into two parts. If Revanth Reddy as the Chief Minister is asking about that, why did the Pulwama incident happen? Why did you let it happen? What are you doing about internal agencies like IB RAW? It is not a failure of a country or a prime minister or a government who is ruling the country right now. And you are asking question to the Congress. People must ask question to the government and not to the Congress. Why it is a failure and why want to, we are not questioning anything, but definitely Bharatiya Janata Party always try to take the political advantage, and that is what we as the opposition are asking and questioning always.
Dr. Patel, look, let's make it clear that whether you're in opposition, whether or not you're in politics, you have all the right to question the policies of the government on any topic, even on national security. But what Congress leaders are doing is not just questioning, they're questioning the morale of our braves. Why do you need repeated proofs of the surgical strike? Somebody said वहाँ पे बॉम्ब गिरा दिया खाली जगह पे. आई कांट रिमेंबर हु दिस वाज, पर खाली जगह पे बॉम्ब गिरा दिया. Somebody said it. Mr. Vadattivar, your leader there, and he's a senior leader, he said that Karkare wasn't killed by bullets of Kasab. Why are you giving a clean chit to Pakistan on terror? Can we not at least rise above that? Speak as one. That is the problem. Mr. Vadakkan, is this the Congress's, perhaps returning favor for the praise that Rahul Gandhi has been getting from Pakistan?
Yeah, this is definitely the return gift from the Congress party to Pakistan, and creating this fear psychosis. They have an atom bomb, so we are extremely worried and we should be scared stiff. And intelligence failure on our side. What was 26/11, my friend? 26/11 was clearly intelligence failure. Now, when terrorists attack, where, how, there has to be active, proof of the location. So the strike advantage is with the terrorists. So to blame the intelligence agencies, which may have given an intelligence input, but where and how is something that your government or any government, the intelligence agencies are the same. The same that did not have a clue on 26/11 are the same people, but you have to understand, terrorists always operates on an element of surprise. Now, as to the question of Pakistan, every time you want to bring in Pakistan, now the Chief Minister of Telangana, he looks desperate. He has no issues. His guarantees have all blown out. And what is happening? He's gone to Pakistan saying, did that happen? Did the surgical strike work out? Intelligence failure. Then you have Manishankar Iyer talking about, yes, they have an atom bomb, so you get scared. Who's scared? Indians. No. They don't have 2 square meals for their people. And what the Prime Minister said is they're selling their bombs. There's nobody to buy poor quality
that
bombs.
is only one aspect. Why clean chit Pakistan on terror? Let me bring in two people from Mumbai. Asif Bhamla is someone who you will speak uninterrupted, because he will tell you, Dr. Nikul Patel, why the Congress is doing a disservice to our braves. Mr. Bhamla.
ये दुर्भाग्य है इस देश का कि ऐसे लोग, मणिशंकर अय्यर is not done this for the first time. He's not done this for the first time. He has done this in the earlier elections also. You remember his drives always during the election. He called the Prime Minister to chai bech. So this sort of an embarrassment. Now they know that if they try and attack the Honorable Prime Minister, this will boomerang back. So now the next attempt is to try and attack the country, because they attacked Modi, they are attacking in a way India. So now indirectly, how do they attack India? Is via the Pakistani route, and that's what they're doing. But ये नहीं जानते कि हिंदुस्तान एक निर्भीक देश है. ये वो देश है जो हर परिस्थिति का सामना कर सकता है, और अगर पाकिस्तान हिंदुस्तान को छेड़ेगा तो हिंदुस्तान उन्हें छोड़ेगा भी नहीं. ये बात स्पष्ट है. आज उनके पास यदि एटम बम है तो हमारे पास मोदी है. दिस इज समथिंग विच इज क्लियर. अरे मोदी जी तो छोड़िए, उनकी तस्वीर ही काफी है उनके पाकिस्तान और पाकिस्तानी घुसपैठियों के लिए. और हमें क्यों डरना चाहिए? What is the fear that we have? Why? आज हमें क्या इनकी दहशत गर्दी को बढ़ाना है क्या? यहां हम मोहब्बत की दुकान खोलना चाह रहे हैं हिंदुस्तान में. आप सत्ता में आके ड्रग्स की दुकान खोलना चाह रहे हो, आतंकवाद बढ़ाना चाह रहे हो, या आतंकवादी खत्म करना चाह रहे हो? नकली नोटों का जो तस्करी चलती थी इस देश में, उसको बढ़ावा दिया है पाकिस्तान में, पाकिस्तानियों ने हिंदुस्तान में. आज ये सब मुमकिन है मोदी जी के राज में? ये सारे को हमने किनारा कश किया है। उसके बाद और बावजूद भी मणिशंकर अय्यर जैसे
Mr. Bhamla, I want you to, as someone who observed.
I don't understand.
Mr. Bhamla, just a minute. One minute. I don't want to interrupt your flow, but I want you to tell Dr. Nikul Patel in clear words what happened during the 26/11 attacks. We are talking about what Mr. Wadattiwar said, that Kartare was not killed by Kasab's bullet, that this was an RSS conspiracy. आप बताइए, as a proud Mumbaikar, proud Indian, tell him what happened during 26/11.
देखिए 26/11 हिंदुस्तान की लाचारी का सबसे बड़ा क्षण था पूरे विश्व में। ये तो दुर्भाग्य था कि अगर मोदी जी होते तो he would have dealt this with an iron fist, and that is something which brought embarrassment to the nation, because we were, after that also we were not able to accept, and even we proved many ways that Pakistan was involved, and this is something which Pakistan bragged upon. This is something that they flabbergasted everywhere. आपके पास सबूत क्या? आपके अजमल कसाब यहाँ आए हुए। अरे ये तो छोड़िए, हम बांद्रा में रहने वाले लोग हैं। हमारे यहाँ जो उम्मीदवार हैं, उन्होंने उज्जवल निकम जी, जिन्होंने उनको जेल की सलाखों के पीछे डाला है, पाकिस्तान तक जाकर उनके लिए लड़ाई की, आज वो उन्हें देशद्रोही कह रहे। तो ये हाल हो गए कांग्रेस की, जो अपनी दिशा भूल हो चुकी है, और हमारे देश के लोगों को ये कांग्रेस या उनके अन्य नेता पाकिस्तान से डराना क्यों चाह रहे? परमाणु हथियार यदि उनके पास है।
Let me bring in Ravi Srivastava. Ravi Srivastava, why are leaders of Team India silent on this, sir? The Congress leaders are on an overdrive, glorifying Pakistan.
So, first of all, Mr. Bhamla was giving as if an election speech or working for a ummidwar of BJP, Mr. Ujjwal Nikam. Let me tell you, after 26/11, who was the biggest friend of the Pakistan?
Let me tell you, he has been a man who has fought.
You are clutching to the issues which are the non-issues. Okay, you don't want to talk about the issues. You want to divert the attention of the people who was the biggest friend of Pakistan. Mr. Narendra Modi went uninvited to Lahore for Nawaz Sharif. He went to meet him there. He went to uninvited for attending some marriage over there. He was the one who called Nawaz Sharif for his vote ceremony in Lal Killa. He is the one who called the terrorism in Pathankot after attack on the Indian Air Force station.
अजमल कसाब को भी फांसी नहीं होने देते।
Till
कहते हैं ये भी देशभक्त है। शर्म आनी चाहिए आपको। You should be ashamed।
And you are talking about
आपने अजमल कसाब को भी आप जो है कहते हैं कि ये भी देशभक्त है। आप लोग के लिए अजमल कसाब देशभक्त है। ये आपकी दुर्भाग्यता है। जिस आदमी ने हमारे देश के मासूमों की जान ली है, आप लोग को वो भी एक जो है देशभक्त लगते हैं।
क्या बताया?
आपको देशभक्त वो भी लगते हैं। आप पुलवामा में भरोसा नहीं रखते हो। आप पुलवामा को भरोसा नहीं करते हो। अरे दुश्मनी रखिए मोदी जी से, देश से तो मोहब्बत करिए। दुश्मनी रखिए, दुश्मनी रखिए आप मोदी जी से, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है
कि तुम चुप रहो,
लेकिन देश से तो प्रेम करिए। देश में क्यों दहशत फैलाने का काम आप कर रहे हो? आप किसी आतंकवादी से कम नहीं हो अगर देश में आपने दहशत फैलाने का काम किया है। आप अजमल कसाब के समर्थक हो,
दिल्ली के अंदर
आपका बस चले तो आप अजमल कसाब के नाम पे सड़कें बना दो उस देश में। आपका बस चले तो अपने देश में अजमल कसाब की सड़कें बना दो। ये दुर्भाग्य आपका, ये दुर्भाग्य आपका बस चले तो आप अजमल कसाब के नाम की सड़कें बना दो।
अजमल कसाब को पकड़ा किसने था? किसकी सरकार थी यहाँ पर, मालूम है आपको?
आप लोगों ने उन पर भी शक किया, आपने उन पर भी शक किया है। आपने उनको भी आरएसएस के घुसपैठिए बताए। ये क्यों भूल रहे आप?
आपने
उनको भी नहीं बख्शा है। आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए। आपको आज देश देख रहा है, आज ये जो हाल आपका हो रहा है, देश की जनता आपको इस चुनाव में जवाब देगी। हम उनसे ये कहना चाहते हैं, हम पाकिस्तान से नहीं डरते हैं। आपको डरना है, आप डरिए, हम पाकिस्तान से कतई नहीं डरते। पाकिस्तान को लड़ने के लिए हमारी सेना और
Okay, gentlemen, calm down, gentlemen. You know, I understand. I understand. No, I understand. Both of you are passionate. 1 minute. Ravi Srivastava, Bamla ji 8 minute. Bamla ji 8 minute. 1 minute. Bamla ji 8 minute. Bamla ji 8 minute. Calm down. Mr. Bamla, calm down. 1 minute. 1 minute. Ravi Srivastava, sir. 1 minute. You tell me, when someone like Mr. Wadattiwar says that Kartare wasn't killed by Pakistani bullet, Kasab didn't kill him, what is your first reaction? Forget everything else.
Why should I react to that?
Why?
I'm not bothered about it.
Why are you not bothered?
About the issue.
No, why are you not bothered?
I'm worried about it.
Why are you not
I'm
bothered
worried
about?
about
No,
that.
1 minute. What are you saying, Ravi Srivastava?
I'm not bothered
Are you?
about it.
No, sacrifice
I'm not
of
bothered.
our braves does not bother you. Sacrifice of our braves does not bother you, Tom Vadakkan. It has come to this now. He says, I'm not bothered about it. Tom Vadakkan.
The reality is now stands, and the reality has been exposed.
Fade us down. Tom Vadakkan speaking.
The reality has been displayed on your show. Today, this group of people, they don't care that such a statement has been made. The person concerned has already gone and said that he read it in some book. And here's this gentleman coming on television and saying he doesn't care. I mean, I don't know what he cares for. If I don't care for my country, what do I care for? I mean, and then you have been giving a clean check to Pakistan. Your only job is to give a clean check to Pakistan. Are you representing Pakistan? Are you threatening my country?
Srivastava, I am shocked today when you say that it does not bother you. The sacrifice of our braves does not bother the Congress party, as is evident from the statements from the top leaders. And now, Ravi Srivastava, you are saying it does not bother me. Final word on the show, Mr. Bhamla. No, Ravi Srivastava, you have today insulted Mr. Kartare's martyrdom and the sacrifice of so many others who've laid down their lives. You should apologize. Ravi Srivastava, you should apologize. I'm giving you an opportunity. Do you want to apologize? Do you want to apologize? What is the agenda, sir? What is the agenda? No, 1 minute. You have no problem. You have, Ravi Srivastava, listen. You have no problem when Pakistan is being glorified by the Congress party. But you have a problem. You have a problem when I asked you, why are you disrespecting our braves? You stand exposed, Ravi Srivastava. Do you want to apologize? Do you want to apologize? I'm asking you a question. It is your choice entirely. Do you want to apologize? Mr. Bhamla, should he apologize?
Apologize. He will anti-national. He should apologize. He should. If he has some shame, he will apologize. But he is shameless. He will not apologize because he's not got any shame. अरे कम से कम अपने लिए नहीं तो देश के लिए तो थोड़ी सी मोहब्बत जता दीजिए.
It was a surgical strike. I repeat. It was a surgical
strike.
Can I
Another shocker. You know, I don't know what Mr. Ravi Srivastava. No, Ravi Srivastava, I'm sorry, sir. People who are watching this broadcast.
10 seconds.
You are calling a surgical strike, surgical strike. Mr. Bhamla, 10 seconds. Make your point.
You are only terrorizing the country.
Can I have last?
Please don't do it.
Let me tell you कि हम इन्हें ये कहना चाहते हैं कि हम पाकिस्तान से न डरते थे, न है, न डरेंगे. मैं आपको ये भी बताता हूं कि अगर हमारी सरकार आई भारतीय जनता पार्टी की यहां इस देश में तो पीओके जो है ना, जो आज पाकिस्तान ने ऑक्यूपाई किया, वो भी हिंदुस्तान लेके रहेगा क्योंकि वो भी जमीन हिंदुस्तान की है. वो हमारी लाचारी के वजह से उनके ताबे में रही है.
Ravi Srivastava, after the show will end, sir, but you know, you still have access to social media. If you feel like apologizing for what you just said and did on the show, please do it, because people will remember what you said. You said that the sacrifice of our martyrs does not bother you, and then you said the surgical strikes were surgical
Nobody
strikes.
said anything about that.
We've run out of time. Gentlemen, I thank all of you for joining us, taking a quick break.